So hello everyone, I am architect Archish Man.
Hello, this is architect Astha.
Yeah, we are co-founders Amaze Spaces, and so basically we conceptualized our firm in 2016 with the aim of developing therapeutic interiors for everyone. So yeah, as I would like to show you this project of ours. It's called the Mithilanchal Quest. So it's a nice 3 BHK apartment in a posh neighborhood in New Delhi. The client wanted actually a space which can incorporate their own motherland in the city. So they wanted us to play with colors. They wanted us to add, of course, art therapy that we actually do, and we actually proposed one thing, that we should actually add a lot of art to the apartment. So our main design element in this apartment is adding a lot of art. So there are Mithila art pieces. There is this stone cut architecture that we have incorporated.
So our idea towards correlating to the colors was adding colors through furniture, not through walls. So typically our walls are very light and very simple, and the furniture looks out to be dark. So we have developed fabric art pieces in the space. And when I talk about the arch, so the client wanted a very dynamic entry towards their mandir. So we developed this dual arch concept leading towards the mandir.
This apartment was initially very raw. It was like a dusty old apartment, probably rented for more than 5 years. So of course a rented apartment in New Delhi is not being taken care of. Everything was added in this house with a lot of love. Art was incorporated, and then you see this hanging sofa. So this hanging sofa was incorporated. So basically the client wanted an airy appeal in front of the window. So yeah, rather than adding a lot of basic furniture like a normal 3-seater sofa or a normal 5-seater sofa, something like that, we played with a lot of elements. Like we played with this wall. We didn't want to make like a basic wallpaper wall or something like that. We played with colors. We played with colors in a way that we kept the walls very similar, very plain, very neutral, very subtle. And then when it came to the furniture, we thought of adapting to the situation that we have to play with a lot of colors. We have to add a lot of hues of blues and then the hues of rust that you see in this sofa. So yeah, that was it.
So, I mean, talking about the challenges that we faced, our firm's main challenges about the designs. So, we put up something in the series and we generally end up doing something else. And then,
that's so true.
Yeah. So basically, if I talk about the stone wall, so basically it was basically a POP artwork. And then developing towards the concept, we ended up doing a carving.
The carving also came out like from the client side. They had a love for floral things. So yeah, they of course wanted something to be floral. We wanted something to be abstract. So of course when you see it, it's like 2/3 of it is floral and 1/3 of it is abstract. So yeah, of course stone cut architecture mixed with floral. So yeah, we gave like birth to this amazing art piece.
So as I talked about the stone wall, that wasn't proposed earlier. So yeah, this was an add-on point for them. That yeah, कि इस तरीके से there are things are coming up, that yeah, carvings and all that. So
when the client saw the renders, I actually remember this thing that he was so happy. He was like, no, I just want this only. Please, you just replicate this, the thing you've shown to me. So we were like, no, it's okay. Thoda bahut.
So yeah, the main challenge was actually arch, putting up a double arch in this area, and putting up the chalk huts and all that amalgamation. That was a real task for us to put up that design on the side. When I talk about the client's room, that we changed his paneling, the design, because we thought when we got connected with him, so he had this love for different posters, and I don't know.
Netflix is his like second love. He's like an engineer, so he wanted like his room to be very youthful. He wanted his room to be full of like colors and of course be youthful. So yeah, of course, like young boys, they have this thing. I want Netflix ke posters.
We added that touch to the room.
As soon as we enter the house, so we see that there are 2 entrances to the house. So one entrance opens up directly to the living room and another one opens up to the foyer area, which is more like a private entrance. So it opens up to a pocket, and then that pocket leads up to like the master bedroom, the son's bedroom, and the kitchen, and of course then later to the dining area as well. So when we come to the living room, so the living room was actually it was a very small space, to be precise. So we have used tile flooring. We have used tile flooring in colors of grains of beige and brown. Then when it comes to the walls, we have kept them very minimal. We have used a very neutral palette. We have used shades like brown, beige, and then powder pink and buff pink and shades like these. And apart from that, we have tried to incorporate biophilic architecture in our design. So that was a very interesting element, because the client actually wanted the house to be very cozy, to be very airy, and to be very he wanted it to be very comfortable. That was the client brief, that I want my house to be very functional, very comfortable, yet chic and classy. So talking about the walls, yeah, so this wall that you see, it has a beautiful white palette for the curtains. White, we chose the color white because of course we can see through the beautiful array of Ashoka trees, as I mentioned. And then we use this beautiful charcoal sheet. It's again like stone cut architecture se inspired here. So yeah, of course there was this beautiful marble finish laminate with a charcoal sheet that was inspired with stone cut architecture. In the middle we have this huge rather contemporary center table, which is of course sheer white, and we have decorated it with nice pots from Home Lane, and we have used these artificial flowers that add to the appeal of the house. On this particular wall that you see, we have this French paneling. Of course, everything was going pretty Indian, and the house spoke lots about contemporary architecture as well. So we have used French paneling for this wall. Then there's this huge television, which is of course very dear to our client. The console that you see is oak wood shade, it's dark oak wood shade, and it's of course it's a nice handcrafted piece. So moving on to the third wall, we have this nice contemporary partition, which is again an amalgamation of many rectangles. So we wanted it to be very minimal. We wanted it to have nice showpieces, and of course some landscape elements as well. So yeah, there's this. And then apart from that wall, we have this another space just next to the wall, which has Madhubani art. And then there was this leftover piece, which was like my addition to the design. There was this leftover piece from the charcoal sheet. So I actually painted it myself and created a frame out of it.
So, and leading towards the room, so we have simple rooms designed according to the client's requirements.
The wall that is parallel to the arch in the dining space, it's actually a very interesting art piece. So on the back side of the wall, in the background, we have wallpaper from Nilaya, and it's a nice lemon colored wallpaper with silver flowers embossed in it. So again, a very interesting pattern. And then on top of it, there sits a nice painting. It's the Mithila art. So the art form actually shows the scene of a jungle. So there is a wedding happening inside the jungle, and we actually sourced this painting from a sari. So this was made out of a sari. It was made out of a sari's pallu. So that was Astha's idea. So we incorporated that. We got the sari cut and then we framed it. It was quite a challenge because it was a silk sari. It was a Bhagalpuri silk sari, and it was pretty difficult to frame it, but we somehow figured the puzzle out. And then on top of it, we have a beautiful wooden chandelier. Moving forward to the kitchen. So the kitchen is designed in a nice shade, in a nice palette of beige and wooden, and rose gold being a major highlight element of the kitchen. We've used Ghana teak laminate as like the highlight laminate. We have like the wall that you see on the left hand side is like actually a amalgamation of patterns from Morocco and India. So it's like a Moroccan come Indian tile, a very interesting pattern again. Even though a small kitchen, we actually try to transform it into a very functional space for the client.
So if I mentioned about the sister's room, so she's a doctor. She wanted art which actually appeals, the women empowerment in the art form.
So one, I would like to give this advice to people that you can actually incorporate natural daylight in your house. That's a major factor that can actually change your life from a messy life, probably from a messy space, to a nicely organized space.
Actually, one suggestion that I would give to the clients that please talk to your interior designers.
Yeah, please
talk
to
where
your
are you
interior
from, talk what do you exactly want. Basically, people are confused. Internet has confused people, but then there is this thing that they are clear. They might not be clear, but interior designer would make them clear that yeah, this would be good for you. So we add Amaze Spaces, so we add personal touch and therapy to the spaces. So we'll be more than happy to serve you.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the small tour of our 3 BHK apartment located in New Delhi. And hope to see you soon, and contact us on the below mentioned number. Thank you.
Thank you.